This message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Fire Department. As a report at 2:13 p.m., a fire is burning in ashes near the New York casino. If you are inside, evacuate the casino now. Run to the emergency exit. Do not use elevators. The elevators could lead you to death. The areas are near Excalibur Hotel, MGM Grand, and Tropicana Las Vegas. Stay tuned for more information for your local area. Fire danger. This message is transmitted at the request of the fire department. At around 3 p.m., the fire had spread to Excalibur Hotel. All residents of Paradise must evacuate immediately. This fire is really dangerous. It could cause vomiting, coughing, stomach pain, and diarrhea. This smoke is really toxic. Stay tuned for more information for your local area. This message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Fire Department. At around 5:30 p.m., the fire had spread to all hotels where Paradise is. Evacuate Las Vegas now. The toxic could kill you. Move to a safe shelter away from the smoke. Stay tuned for more information on this deadly fire. This message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Fire Department. At around 12 p.m., the whole entire city of Las Vegas is on fire, causing the sky to be covered with really black smoke, as it is still toxic, as we found 136 people that have been killed during this fire. Stay tuned for more information. Termination. We are happy to know that the fire that started yesterday has ended, but heartbreaking. We found 2,496 people killed during the fire, as the city lost $10 billion for all the damage. It will take years to rebuild. We will resume normal program.